Hey guys, I'm back with a video featuring the infamous It's a Wig Divine unit that I purchased a while ago. And what I'm trying to do is thin it out because I already washed it and blow dried it, and the ends were really thick because I basically chopped her because she was super duper long. She was at least 26 inches and it was too long for me, so I did cut her down. But now, because it's synthetic fibers, the being so blunt on the ends doesn't work for a long wig, so I'm thinning her out. So I'm just taking my shears and basically cutting layers in it towards the end. That's going to basically lighten up and the ends, and you see my daughter in the background. Um, but that's basically going to thin out the ends that way and still keep the style and length. I'm just going to keep doing that till I'm satisfied. And now I have my thinning shears, and I'm going to finish off with that just to cut some of the bulk out of the ends. And yeah, so when you do this, it's basically thins it, and you see how thin it looks now compared to when we first started. Like, oh my gosh, I can wear this wig again, and I think I will. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just get rid of all those curls that are in there, because when I blow dried it, I was trying to straighten it with the blow dryer, but because the ends were so dense, it wouldn't really, like, it was tangling all over the place. So I'm like, I'm just gonna flat iron the curls out. No need to. I could have went back and used a blow dryer to keep the texture, but I don't know. I kind of like it when the texture is a little bit more fine. And no, and using a flat iron on synthetic hair, it's gonna change the texture of the wig. So if it's more yucky, it's gonna make it more silky. Which in this case I didn't mind because it really wasn't yucky, and it was more so silky anyway. So I'm just gonna keep the same energy, and I'm just gonna go around the wig and rip and do the same process until it's straight enough for me. Hi glam mommies, this is Tanya and welcome back to my channel for another video slash tutorial and whatnot. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can become a glam mommy too. So today is actually a updated review slash tutorial because I had a lot of questions about this wig. This is probably one of my most watched videos on my channel. This is natural hairline wig by the company It's a Wig, and I bought her in the style Divine. Of course, she doesn't look like Divine anymore because I did cut her down. She was really long. I cut her down and I straightened her after I did a wash. I washed her and treated her to bounce back just like this. So you saw in the beginning of the video, that's how it came out washed. I had to thin her out on the ends because after blunt cutting, as you know, synthetic wigs tend to what's the word? They tend to nap up really quick. The fibers are really strong. So when they're grouped together, they're really strong, and it's hard to get a brush or a comb through her. So I had to thin her out on the ends, and you saw me doing that. This will be my second time wearing it again since I purchased it. I did wear it for quite a while after I put her on the first time, as you remember in the video, and in the first initial video. And hold on, I need some lotion because I can just feel the dryness in my hands. And so she did nap up really quickly, and it was, I was kind of disappointed. Like I stated in the first video, I was like, for the quality of the wig and the hairline and the innovation, because most most synthetic wigs don't really come with the quality hairline, and for that to happen and then the hair wasn't of good quality, I was kind of disappointed. But after washing her and using my method, which I will make a video on that, the hair is amazing. It's so soft. I can run my fingers through her, especially after I thin the ends out. So I'm loving her still. The hairline is still nice. Like I said, the fibers are really strong, so they're not going to come out of the wig that quickly. Sorry, I didn't,
the hairline don't come all the way down this way. But like I said, I was really impressed with the fact that it's like ear to ear lace, and it's let me see, yeah, so it comes over pretty long as far as where it starts, before it starts to taper off, and the parting space gets a little smaller on the sides, like, you know, a lot of wig companies do. So in this video, I'm actually going to show y'all how to put your hair in an updo. I had a request for that, which was interesting. I didn't think people, you know, would request a review on that, but I would definitely be happy to do that. So what you're going to need is obviously a hair tie or rubber band, and you're going to part it to where you want the updo to start. So however far over you want it. So this hairline goes back pretty far, which I am impressed with. Let me see. I want it to be kind of equal. So and you don't want to go all the way to the edge, because then that's when the tracks start to show. So I'm curving it up a little bit on the side. That way the tracks are covered right there on that side, as you can see. And also in the back, I'm going to curve around and part her. Okay. So once that's done, I'm going to take my brush and just brush her up and smooth her. I'm trying to be careful because I did not use like Ghost Bond or my Bold Hold to lay her down. I just used the Got to Be glue, and while it is strong, it's not as strong as the other products I mentioned. So I'm just trying to make sure that the parting is even, because I don't want a lopsided pony. So, and as you can see, this hairline is so amazing. If you have not purchased this wig, ladies, you need to purchase it. I am going to, the last video I did for her was sponsored by samsbeauty.com, and of course it's sold out on their website. So I'm going to link a couple of other websites to where you could purchase this if they have it available. I'm pretty sure people who don't know, or there's people that know that you can buy it for other websites. So it's up to you to do the research if the initial website given to you is sold out. So I'm just putting her up now in a bun. And nowadays, nobody wants that little rubber band to show. So I'm just going to scoot her down by pulling it. So we don't want the little rubber band. You can have a little rubber band show. Doesn't matter. You can. It's not really that big of a deal. What is this? Okay. Or what you could do is take a little piece like so. Make sure it's straight. And just wrap her around until you are done wrapping. Be careful not to get any other stray hairs in there, because it will tangle that way. Okay, and then you're going to take a bobby pin. I'm going to do my bobby pins. I'm going to take a bobby pin and secure it so that it doesn't move. You can kind of see this one because I should have had a black bobby pin, but I don't. So this is how she's going to look after that. And yeah. So that's how you do a little updo with your wigs. Pull the hairs. So if you know how to freak your wigs, you know it doesn't matter style, because the number one, the style's not gonna last long. But you can reuse the wig over and over again. Like these natural these synthetic hair fibers are so like nowadays these synthetic hair fibers are so strong and durable, and you can do basically almost everything you could do to human hair, it does. Oh yeah, let me stand up so you can see. Oh, I have to back it up. So this is how long she is now. There you go. Thanks for watching, lovies. Bye.